I never copied anyone. I just built what I wanted to stay in. So my top 5 parts of the Secret Garden Glamping. Number 1, obviously it's unit design. You know, all of these units are from my head. You know, I design them, I build them, I dress them, I come up with the themes, all the furniture, all that sort of stuff. Everybody assumes we get like an outside team to come and do it, but it's not, it's just me. That's what I love, the creative side of it. So absolutely, number 1 has got to be the units. Number 2, I'm going to say, is the outdoor areas. You know, when we came to glamping, some people had hot tubs, some people didn't. It was, you know, that was kind of a luxury thing. Now, hot tubs, everybody has it. You know, outdoor bathing is this kind of whole movement. But we push the level every single time. So over the past 5 years, we have innovated massively. We were the first ones to do covered outdoor hot tub areas, then saunas, then cold plunges, then pool tables, then outdoor cinemas, then outdoor entertainment areas, then covered outdoor entertainment areas, bar areas. All of these were firsts that I came up with. And now they're quite prolific in the industry. You know, everybody copies what we did. You know, it's 2-3 years ago now. There's people still copying units that we built 4 years ago. Number 3, hands down, the staff. Everybody who's stayed here will have met Andy at some point in their journey. If they've not met him, they've spoke to him, they've texted him, whatever it might be. The staff here have got the same passion and drive as I have, and I know how rare that is to find. Everybody is on the same page. Everybody wants to see the business do well. We are one big family. It's not, you know, boss and staffs type scenario. We're a constant family. We're always trying to help each other. Number 4 has to be the new tiki bar. So that idea I had 2.5 years ago, and I've been trying to bring it to fruition over that time, although we've been busy with other stuff. And I had sort of 2 or 3 weeks spare, and this was kind of October-ish, end of September, start of October. And I was like, right, I'm doing it now. I've been waiting long enough. I'm going to build it. So I built the whole new tiki bar. That has brought so much fun and so much life to the woodland at night. At number 5, it's got to be the location. Now, everybody told me that I was insane when I wanted to open a glamping site in my garden in Skelmersdale. Skelmersdale has got no tourism. It's got this reputation from, you know, 20, 30, 40, 50 years ago. Skelmersdale is one of the best places to open a business. It's one of the best places to work. It's one of the best places to live. There's a whole community here. Everybody works together. You know, all of our staff live in Skelmersdale, and they are some of the best workers I've ever worked with at all.